Dear students, welcome you all for the 40th session on modern marketing of 5th semester Mangalore University. So in this session we are going to discuss various types of copy and also two models, that is AIDA model and DAGMAR model, and also advertisement layout. So we'll discuss all these things in brief. First of all, we are going to discuss types of advertisement copy, then AIDA model, then DAGMAR model, then advertisement layout, then essentials of advertisement layout. So in the previous session, we have discussed what is advertisement copy, its meaning, essentials, and introduction. So what is the objective of this session? Is to make the students know the concept of advertisement copy and also AIDA and DAGMAR model and advertisement layout. So outcome of the session is students will come to know the concept of advertisement copy and also AIDA and DAGMAR model. So types of advertisement copy. So there are so many advertisement copies. First one, educational copy, institutional copy, selling copy, reason why copy, human interest copy, expository copy. Then AIDA model. So what is AIDA model? So AIDA model is a model of advertisement which was developed by Elmo Lewis in 1898 to explain how personal killing works. So he wants to say how personal selling has resulted in increase in sales. So it shows a set of step stages which describe the process of leading a potential customer to purchase. So what he does is describes all these steps or process in a stair-step basis. So ultimately the objective of this particular process is to make the customer purchase the product. So it was developed in 1920. Let's see the AIDA model. So it is attention, interest, desire, and action. So it's one round. So first the customers will be attended, in the sense they will get attention, then they will have interest, then they will desire, then they will purchase the product. So attention, interest, desire, and action. So in the attention you can see in the picture. Okay, just you are getting to know about the product. Then interest, you have some enthusiasm to purchase the product. Then you desire, you feel that I need to have that product, and ultimately you take the product, you buy the product. Let's see what is a attention. Awareness. So it means attract the attention of the customers. So customers need to know about the product first of all, otherwise how can he buy? He cannot buy the product. So establish customers awareness. So customer need to be aware about the product to buy the product. So then inform customer about the product. So finally you have to say this is what the product which is available. Then interest. So what do you mean by interest here? So interest in the sense, raise customer interest by focusing on and demonstrating advantages and benefits. So we can raise the interest in the interest of the customers by telling or by demonstrating more and more of advantages and benefits about a product. So definitely customers will develop certain amount of interest. Then create buyer's interest. Stimulate interest in the product. So buyer's interest is very, very important. So if they are interested in the product, then definitely they will be eager to buy your product. So that stimulates the product buying interest in the customers. Then desire. So what is desire? So desire means convince the customers that they want and also desire the product or service, and that will satisfy their needs. So you have to convince the customers that they want and desire a product or service, and that will satisfy their needs. So whatever the product that they buy, they will definitely get satisfied about the product. So that desire need to be created. And final action. So it leads customer toward taking action, either purchase or sell. So this is what DAGR model. So it begins with A, I, then D, A. So AID. Now let us discuss DAGMAR model. So what is this model? So this is another model which was developed by Russell Coley in 1961. It's a model for setting advertisement objectives and measuring the results. So what is the objective of the advertising and how the result can be measured? So this model is entitled Defining Advertising Goals for Measured Advertising Results. So main objective of this model is to define the advertisement goals or objectives, then measure the result. So ultimate objective of advertising involves a communication task. So there is a particular communication task which is involved in this model. So which is intended to create awareness, impart information, develop attitude and induce action. So let's see the communication chain. So this is what the communication task: awareness, comprehension, conviction and action. So first one, awareness. So aware of existence of the products. So this is very important. So you know that there is a product. So before target audience purchase your product, it is necessary to make the audience aware about the product or company. If they are not aware about the product or company, then it's whatever the advertisement that you do is a waste. So first of all, you have to see that you have to advertise regarding the company, you have to advertise regarding the product. So this will create some interest in the minds of the consumers. So initial task of advertising is to increase the consumer awareness of the product or offer. So that has to be done at the end, so that awareness is created in the minds of the customers. Then the second one is comprehension. So comprehension, in the sense, it involves the target audience to learn something about the product, organization or offer. So if the people do not know about the product, about the organization or what is the offer which is available, then definitely it is very difficult for them to make for a purchase decision. So they should know about the product. So learning includes product characteristics, in the sense, what are the different characteristics of the product, how the product is different, then what are the various benefits from the product, and what are the special benefits that I get apart from that product or uses, then trademark, and also regarding the brand name. Attitude. So attitude or conviction. So it's, you should be mentally convinced. I should be convinced that I'm going to buy that product, or I am satisfied about the product. So by creating interest and preferences. Okay, so attitude or conviction can be developed by creating interest and also various preferences in the product. So conviction can be created through messages that demonstrate the product superiority over a rival product. So you should convince that this is the product that I'm going to buy. So this is the product I'm going to watch. This is the product I'm going to buy next time. So how I am convinced? So there are different ways. So some ways is, so you should be communicated in or demonstrated in such a manner that your product is superior than your rival product. Then definitely I can develop a strong conviction. Then action. So finally, so whatever the process, it should end in buying the product. So communication must encourage buyer to engage in purchase activity. Then let's discuss about the advertisement layout. So what is advertisement layout? So layout is the visual plan, or it's a design for arranging the elements of an advertising message in the printed form. So there should be particular layout. It has to be selected. So what is the layout through in which I am going to advertise my products? It's a visual plan. So in that plan, I'm going to add some advertisement elements, advertisement message, etc. So in the process of creating an effective layout, all the elements of the layout must be coordinated, such as headlines, subheadlines, text matter, slogan, identification mark, then trademark, decorations, illustration, size, shape, white and black space, background decoration, and so many other things. So this, you just see how many consideration need to be taken while selecting or while preparing a layout. So these are all very important for advertisement. So it should be, for example, headlines. What are the headlines that you are going to highlight? What is the text that you are going to include? So all this requires meticulous task. So here are some essentials or principles of advertisement layout. It should be balanced. Okay, it should not be too many words, too many lines. No, but it cannot be only few lines also. It should be balanced. Rhythm. So rhythm, in the sense, should go according to the eye movement. In the sense, your advertisement layout should be such that it captures immediately. Okay, as the message is gone, you are able to read it. Then emphasis or contrast. So whatever the emphasis that you make should highlight regarding the product and also its features. So that is what important. And also your tagline. So what is the emphasis that you are going to show in advertisement layout? Then proportion. So your advertisement should be proportionate, in the sense it should not cover everything. Okay, it should not cover everything. So what is important, that has to be selected and that has to be said in the advertisement layout. Then unity. So in the sense your message, your text, your tagline, punchline, product, features should be united. There should not be any discrepancy between the your features, between the product, between your tagline. Okay, there should be no confusion. So it should be unity. Then simplicity. So your message should be simple, need not be so much decorated. So it should be simple enough. So simple will attract many customers. So that's all from this session. Thank you for watching this video.